Hello friends. Today I am restoring a hydroplane built in 1970. I've got some Harbor Freight Run equipment here, some gloves, face mask, coveralls, different kinds of goggles, masks, more gloves, tape primer, circular brush, clamps, a couple of different kinds of scrapers here, and I was just seeing what works best. I think I'm going to need to apply some heat with the heat gun, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to see what we can do with a little bit of this big scraper here. So let me show you what I'm working on. Alright, I want to let this dry out, so I want to be kind of gentle pulling this back. There we go. Trying to follow the line of the paint. Okay, you're revealing some of that original color under there. Kind of peeling back, okay. It's alright. So, it's just layers of paint, not fiberglass right there. There is some fiberglass along the edge. Let's see here, what else we got? Okay. Some of this is a little bit punky along here. Just gentle with it. Can seal it up with epoxy once I get it dried out. Just been kind of wasting away in here for a little while. So, can make some progress on this. I got this other scraper I want to test too. This is breaking away pretty easy. Not a great sign, but I think this wood is pretty solid underneath. So, alright. Stand by. Let's see. Come up a little higher. We'll flip it this way too. Try that. Be careful. I think for just light stuff, this other scraper is probably a little better. So if I don't want to dig into the wood, I probably need two hands for this really to work well. Let's try that down here, see if we can clean up some of this mess. Okay, that's some of the original green in there. That's the color we're going to go back to. Oh yeah, it's pulling up nice. Don't have to be quite so harsh with it. There we go. Oh boy. Oh, that's not looking real good right there. Let's look closer at that. It's a little pitted. Not too bad though. Oh boy. I want to damage it, but I want to break apart that punky wood a little bit. Get to the good stuff. Let's go back. Anyway, you get the point. We're gonna do it. Tune in next time and I'll have some progress in this thing. And you're welcome to stay with me while I scrape the boat more. Certainly.